In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with categories in your SubHub website. Categories have a couple of different purposes. One of them is to help you organize your content, and the other is to help you direct your members to the content that you've created for them after they have logged in to your website. So let's create a category and see how it works. I've just logged into my control panel using my admin login, and I'm going to go to the Categories tab, add a new category. I'm going to make this viewable by the general public as well as members of my website. I'm going to call the category Branding, and I might have a few words to say about branding here, although it's optional. I could choose to hide the breadcrumbs, which is the link trail that appears at the top of the category page. I could also hide subcategories, which is a listing of the subcategories that apply to this particular category. However, I haven't made any subcategories yet, so I'm just going to click Save, Publish, and there's my category page. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to do is change the short name from that number so that Google and the other search engines will have an easier time to find it. Since I have decided that I wanted it viewable by the public, I probably want the search engines to be able to pick that up, so I just changed that short name. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go into my articles. I have created 2 articles having to do with branding. This one is called Branding 101, and I have filled out this teaser section with an image from the article and just a few lines of text, just a teaser to as an excerpt. What will happen with this is the content of this teaser area will display on the category page automatically. This is the body section of the article, so this is where the full text of the article appears, and I'm going to select the category of branding. Always save and publish. I'm going to do the same thing with the second branding article. I've created the teaser, I've created the full text of the body. For the article, I'm going to select the branding category, publish it. Let's take a look at that article. Okay. Now I'd like to go back to the branding category page, which a moment ago was pretty much blank except for the one little line that I had typed in here. But now that I've created those articles and assigned them to this category, I can see the 2 teasers for those articles. And if I click through, I can see the actual article. And that is essentially how categories work. One way that you can help your members to find your content is to use the URL of the category page, which for internal linking purposes is everything after the .com. You would take /categories/branding, and that would be your internal link to this category page. And you could go into your homepage editor and create a link in the top navigation for branding, or possibly a drop down from one of the other links that would go directly to that category page where your members would be able to see all the teasers from all of the articles in that category. Could also link one of these photos or any of these titles. Just a way to help direct your members after they log in. And that is it for categories. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.